Imagine a bear trying to open a honey shop, but the door is locked with giant chains. That's the economy saying, no entry. And when one clever bear finally breaks in, the whole honey market explodes. Curious? You should be. Today we're talking about barriers to entry and creative destruction. Fancy words, but don't worry. By the end, you'll know how new businesses shake up old ones and why that matters for your honey and your wallet. Most bears think markets are simple. Bees make honey, bears buy honey, done. But here's the catch. Not every bear can start selling honey. Some think it's just about having acorns to invest. Wrong. The real problem is the invisible walls that keep new bears out. But what are these walls made of? Let's peek closer. Barriers to entry are like obstacles that stop new bears from joining the honey game. Maybe the bees already own all the best flower fields.
Maybe the owl charges huge fees for honey licenses. Or maybe the fox shop owners have secret recipes that new bears can't copy. These walls protect the old players. What happens when a clever bear smashes through these walls? Creative destruction is when a new idea bulldozes the old way of doing things. Picture a bear inventing honey in a can. Suddenly, the fox shops selling jars look outdated. The bees have to rethink their flower strategy. Old businesses crumble, new ones rise. It's destruction, but also creation. And this isn't just theory. It hits your everyday life. Think about ride-sharing apps. Bears used to wave their paws forever, waiting for fox taxis to show up. Then along came honey ride apps, and suddenly bears could order a ride with one paw tap. For your wallet, it often means cheaper, faster rides.
For businesses, it means fox taxi shops had to adapt fast or risk vanishing. But wait, most bears make big mistakes when they think about this. First mistake, bears think barriers are permanent. Nope. Clever ideas can break them. Second mistake, bears assume destruction is bad. It feels scary, but it often brings better honey for everyone. Third mistake, bears forget the owl's role. Government rules can either strengthen walls or help break them down. Now here's the mind-blowing part. Sometimes creative destruction doesn't just change honey shops, it changes entire forests. Think smartphones. One invention wiped out cameras, maps, alarm clocks, and even honey recipe books. One idea destroyed dozens of old markets at once. So here's the takeaway. Barriers keep new bears out. Creative destruction lets clever ones in, and together they reshape the honey world. Next time you see a new gadget or app, remember, it's probably smashing some old honey jar business. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Doodle adventure.